What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when your Windows 11 search menu keeps opening up. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, we will run the Windows Search Troubleshooter to fix any common issues. Open up your Windows settings. Under System, navigate to Troubleshoot and select Other Troubleshooters. From here, scroll down and run the Search and Indexing Troubleshooter. This will take a moment to scan and detect issues with your search menu and tries to fix them. If the problem persists, then make sure to disconnect any USB devices such as your webcam, microphone or keyboard, as they can trigger the Start menu or taskbar on Windows. Before reconnecting your peripherals, make sure that your Windows search process is running correctly on your PC. Search for Services in your Start menu to access your Windows Services Manager. If you are unable to find it, then search for services.msc. On this window, select any service and start typing Windows Search to find the Windows Search service. Right-click the service to access its properties. In the General section, make sure that the startup type for this service is set to Automatic. Below, the service status should be running. If it's not, then click on Start before applying your changes. In case the problem persists, then you will have to restart the Windows Explorer process and restart your PC. Open up your Task Manager. In the Processes section, right-click the Windows Explorer process and select Restart. Your File Explorer will close, your desktop icons will reload, and the Start menu problem should be fixed. In some cases, corrupted Windows files or Windows updates can cause issues with the Start menu search. Head back to your Windows settings. Under Personalization, scroll down to access your taskbar settings. Toggle the search option off and on, and below, expand your taskbar behaviors to toggle the Automatically Hide the Taskbar option as well. This can often cause temporary issues with your Windows 11 search menu. Lastly, head over to the Windows Update section. Click on Check for Updates and download the latest update before restarting your PC. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.